Well, we all know that one of today's most pressing issues is the fate of our planet and the big threat that climate change and global warming pose to our ecosystem. Interestingly, research from around the world has shown that the building sector accounts for close to 40% of global carbon emissions. So, putting sustainable solutions at the center of the construction process is no longer just something that property developers should desire to do. It is now an open duty. So, today we'll talk about the future of sustainable real estate development. Before we proceed further, it's important to understand what sustainable real estate development is. Sustainable real estate development involves incorporating eco-friendly design strategies, resources, and building methods. Sustainable real estate development strives to lessen the impact of a given home on the environment, from the materials used to daily operations, rather than adopting techniques and materials that raises a home's carbon footprint. Doing so enables homeowners to reduce operating costs and help the environment simultaneously. Sustainable real estate development isn't just an exit strategy used by visionary developers. It's a movement that is gaining ground. At the very least, green real estate efforts are no longer a niche industry. Most modern buyers not only desire, but also require that their homes include sustainable elements. Now that the technology and materials are catching up to the movement, there's absolutely no reason not to include as many sustainable features in a home as possible. Having said that, let's look into some of the benefits real estate development offers. Sustainable real estate development offers several benefits that can positively impact the economy, environment, and society. Here are some benefits. Reducing operating costs. Building owners and occupants experience lower renting expenses as a result of sustainable buildings using less energy, water, and other resources. Higher property value, since they provide better thermal comfort, natural light, and indoor air quality. Green buildings have a higher resale and rental values. Access to incentives. There are government incentives for green construction, including tax credits, rebates, and subsidies. Developers can increase their earnings and cut construction expenses with the use of these incentives. Reduce carbon emissions. Buildings that are sustainable use less water and energy, which lowers their carbon footprint. A global Green Building Council report claims that green buildings can cut carbon emissions by up to 40%. Sustainable buildings are designed to provide better indoor air quality and natural ventilation. They also incorporate rainwater harvesting and water conservation measures, which help improve the quality of water resources. Improved quality of life. Better thermal comfort, natural lighting, and acoustic insulation are features of buildings. The occupants experience increased productivity and comfort as a result. Sustainable buildings incorporate green spaces, walkways, and cycle tracks, which encourage physical activity and reduce the impact of vehicular pollution. They also offer access to fundamental services including healthcare, sanitation, and water. For many years, the green building movement has been growing, paving the path for sustainability to become the norm for real estate. Going ahead, there are a few tried and true trends that will be relevant in the real estate sector. The rising emphasis on energy efficiency is among the most significant trends in sustainable real estate. It is now possible to construct houses and business buildings that consume less energy and use it more effectively thanks to advancements in energy-efficient appliances, automation technologies, and purposeful design. The use of green, ethically sourced building materials is another significant trend. More low-carbon building materials are being used in green building projects, including recycled steel and lumber, as well as plant-based materials like hemp and bamboo that require less maintenance and less water-intensive to grow. Buyers and industry compliance support sustainable real estate. Progressive builders and eco-aware companies, homeowners, are increasingly taking action to reduce their impact on the environment and electricity costs. Yet, doing good for the world is at the heart of everything and goes beyond merely individual liking. All industries are slowly being forced to adopt more sustainable methods and reduce their environmental impact. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are the worldwide framework for tackling and resolving the environmental and social problems that the world is now facing. So it's extremely important for the real estate industry to embrace sustainable development practices to ensure a healthier future for our planet and its inhabitants. With that, we wind up today's video. Let us know what you think of sustainable real estate development in the comments section below. If you found the video helpful, press the like button and do subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos like this in the future. Goodbye.